Welcome to the home of videos for daily creatives. This is where the magic happens in the studio. Grab whatever bricks you can find, steal from your kids' collections. Maybe you're an adult fan of Lego and you have a robust collection of your own. Grab some bricks. Let's do something fun. Okay, now we're gonna do something maybe even more fun than just building with 6 bricks. We're gonna little set here. Ages 4 plus, I think we can manage it. It's set number 11007, and it's called Creative Green Bricks. There was also a blue set as well. This is just 60 pieces, and we're gonna open it up, and we're just gonna do something fun. Okay, dump all the pieces out. Since green is one of my favorite colors, I'm gonna build something that makes me think of being happy in nature. I don't know, I haven't used this set before, so I don't know what's gonna happen, and we're just gonna go for it and see where creativity and imagination takes us. This is an opportunity to play with some bricks and think to ourselves, okay, like if this could be different, if we could build an imaginary world, what would it look like, and how amazing could I make it with just these few green bricks? You might not have access to a Lego store, or you might just rather pick up a few bricks that you have in your house, something that the kids left over from the kids when they had different Lego sets. That's okay. If you are getting something new, these two go together. They're a spinner. This spins. What am I coming up with? Who knows? Something that makes me happy, that's for sure. This is a good piece. It's a studs on top and studs on the side. So you can do some interesting things with this. You can, have something coming out like this. Maybe coming up the side like this. Right, yep. Knows what it's gonna be. Let's see. Oh, maybe it needs to go there. This is something interesting you can do, is you take these pieces and you line them up like that, and then you can put something down the middle, like this, for example. Go down the middle. Oh, it's almost like a face of some kind. Oh, okay, speaking of, now these are also studs on top studs. We can put some eyes on here. Oh, now we have some personality. Okay, what is this thing that's out in nature that makes me happy? This? Oh, this is a good one. So this is a round plate with a hole in the middle. Okay, there we go. Now this would be a very strange thing for an apple to be coming out of, but who knows? Maybe the apple is just a representation of life. All right, what is it that makes me happy in nature? Well, I like to think that lots of things are living and things that I've never seen before, and things that have a place and serve a purpose that I'm not familiar with. That's okay. And that maybe there's little things that are just in the infancy of life that we need to protect as well. And there's just things growing everywhere. There's life even when we don't know what it is and we can't see it. And then, of course, nature brings us, there's fruits from nature that we don't recognize always, because we're not dependent on it as humans the way everything else, all the other natural creatures are. So there. And there's a circle of life that goes all the way around. Oh, yes. Nature makes me happy. And having a little model of it just for these few minutes is what a great way to spend some time. But now, today, I've brought you into the space where the magic happens. So creativity can be fostered in many different ways. And being able to set aside some time just for yourself and do something completely different, challenge your brain in a completely different way than you get to do in your day-to-day job, that's really special. This is where the magic happens as you're working with the bricks and creating in a way that's completely different than what you might do normally. I suppose the only people that would find that this might not be as unlocking is the Lego designers themselves. But I bet you they even just free play and build things just from whatever they can think of in their imagination. Thank you for joining. Hope you had a great time. This has been so much fun. I've been thinking about how to create something like this for a very long time, and I hope you enjoyed it. There's going to be many more to come. Tell your friends, let everyone know this is the place where you can learn to be more creative and have fun at the same time. Thank you.